Okay, we're going to do number 18 here, and this is the log of x base 64 equals negative 1/3. And I do the predictable thing, b to the y equals x, and I take this to this power, and you can think of it, this to this power equals, or this is the power caret, right? Just to do a little illustration there, and a negative 1/3, that has to equal x, right? Well, let's see, we got 64 to the negative 1/3, remember, is 1 over 64 to the positive 1/3 there. And that's equals 1 over, if you want to think, the cube root of 64. And I think the cube root of 64 is 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 times 16 is 64. So I think that's my final answer is 1/4. So x equals 1/4. Okay, because the cube root of 64 is 4, 1 over 4. All right, let's take a look at another one. I think I'll do number 22. Skip one because they're getting a little common here. Let's see, 22 is the log of 49. Base 7 equals x. And we have to solve for x. Well, this is a lot like the first ones, right? We take 7 to the x equals 49. And we're in exponential form. Notice that's the idea. We get rid of the logarithm by using this equivalent statement. And once we're rid of the logarithm, then we have to figure it out, but we usually can. I think squared would do it, right? So x equals 2. So that's not too bad, is it? And I think we'll do, I'm going to jump to number 26, and there's Cha-Cha walking in front, Rebecca. And here it is. 22. You going to say hello to Rebecca, Cha-Cha?
Sup?
Okay. I'm not going to do 22. I think I'll do 26. 26 is the log of x. Base square root of 2. Really weird base. Equals negative 4. Now, anytime I have a radical, what I do is I change that to a fractional exponent. So I'm going to write that as the log of x 2 to the 1/2 power. Base 2 to the 1/2 power. That's not 2 times 1/2. That's 2 to the 1/2 power. That equals negative 4. Now I can write 2 to the 1/2 to the negative 4 equals x. Now remember, the exponent rule is if you have a power to power, you can multiply, and negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. So x equals 2 to the negative 2. Now, I don't want to go down too much farther. I may not catch it clearly because negative 4 times 1/2 is negative 2. 2 to the negative 2. And 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. So my this equals 1/4. And that's my answer. That's what x is there.